respect the flag. That's all I can say.
Alright people, I am going to show you how to assemble a hive frame with a foundation. Got to get a shot of my shirt. Alright, there's my ugly face. Okay, I want to do a close-up so you don't need to look at me, you need to look at this. Alright, this is your foundation. This particular foundation, if you look at the comb pattern on here, it's a little bit deeper than some of the other ones. It gives the bees a head start. This also has wax coated. Now what I like to do is I like to take the corner and nip the two bottom corners. Now believe it or not, some manufacturers actually have a breakaway tab in the corners that you can just snap off. Now the idea of that doesn't have to be perfect, obviously. The idea of that is it makes it easier, because you got to remember this will be covered with comb and bees. So that makes it easier for them to get to the other side. So I like to do that. You don't have to, but I like to do that. Other thing you're going to need is glue, water resistant glue. I use 1/2-inch brad nails to assemble it. You can use 1/2-inch staples. You can use an air brad nailer. This one here is electric. I also have, air, and I have air staplers and all that. You have this here. Doesn't matter whether it's the 6-inch or the larger ones. These pieces here are all, the top and bottom are the same, okay, size-wise. Obviously for your 6-inch frames, this is a little bit smaller, so it's just put it together the exact same way. So what I do, alright, I'll take a little of my wood glue here, put a little bit on there, a little bit on the sides if you can see. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of wood glue. Same thing on this side here, a little bit there, a little bit there, a little bit there. It's important to use a water resistant, because obviously hives have a lot of moisture. Then, okay, very easy. There you go. Okay, so it's very easy to assemble. Now, what I do, very important, is jam it together tight. Okay. And then shoot a nail in it, okay? I probably blocked that, didn't I? Okay. Nope, hold on a second. Let me lower the camera a little bit so you can see a little better. I am not a professional. I don't claim to be a professional. There we go. Now maybe you can see it better. There you go. Okay. And I shoot one brad in each corner, and you want to make sure you get it into the wood. Okay, you can see where I shot it in, so make sure it's high enough where it goes into the wood. And I shoot. You can do one in each corner. Oh, sorry. There you go. And again. Okay. Now you have part of your frame put together. You can also shoot down from the top also, which usually I do, just for extra security. But if you only put staples or brads in the top, the frame will pull apart because of the weight. You got to remember, one frame, well, I'm not really sure of the weight, but one frame can weigh quite a bit, 5-10 pounds or whatever. If I'm wrong, somebody can correct me. But when the frame gets full of honey, it gets pretty heavy. Okay. Now, you can see the notch right there. Okay, sure you can see it, right? So you just set the foundation, just like that. Okay. So we'll put a little dab of glue. Dab of glue there, dab of glue there, dab of glue there. Okay. Just set your frame in there with the notches towards the bottom. Alright, your foundation. This is the foundation. The wood part's the frame. Alrighty. And then you can see alright. Sometimes they're tight, depends on the moisture level in the lumber. Alright, make sure you got it in the slot. Okay. Alright, you know it's in the slot because it's together. Give her a little tap. Okay, so you know you're tight. Alright. And once again, shoot a brad or a staple. Brad, bam. Bam. Again. And there you have a assembled. Now if you don't put the foundation in it, you do the same thing with the frame that I just did. You could shoot a brad, if you shoot a brad in the top, or a staple, angle it a little bit, because if you angle it, it won't pull out as easy. So I like to angle it. You know, gives you that little bit of extra strength, and that's it, people. That's how you assemble a beehive frame with foundation. A lot of times when you buy these things, the manufacturers do not tell you how to put them together, but you can see it's pretty simple. Nice short video, and thumbs up if you want. If you don't like it, thumbs down. But anyway, there you go. The notches, you do not have to notch. I like to because it gives the bees an area to pass through to the other side. And you got to remember, you have 10 of these all in a row. That gives them a lot of access. Easier access, happier the bees. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, thumbs down. So anyway, I just appreciate you watching my videos. And hopefully, move this up a little bit. Hopefully it helps people out. And that's it. That's how you put together a beehive frame. Very simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the little bee in the corner to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.